Hello guys, today I'm going to walk you through the little I know about blogging and quite a few years into writing blog and what have you. There are ways to make money through blogging and just work with us. So blogging is simply writing of articles, writing your personal experience in terms of write-up. You need to have a website. It may be your personal website, you have your domain, it can be a forum, but you just need to have a platform where you will be putting your content, your experience and what have you. Blogging is a writing skill set. So you have to read, you have to do your research, and you have to write. So the presentation is not academic. It's not like somebody must be a professor or must have gone to MSc, BSc before you can become a blogger. You just need to know a little about something and you are willing to write about it and share your experience. So the first thing is to pick a niche. Okay, what are you good at? What can you write about? Okay, you can even do a little breakdown of breaking down your niche to the core of what valuable skills you have acquired. Okay, I'm into tech, I build websites, I manage digital marketing services, and I can write about this. And even in digital marketing services, I can break it a bit down to say I only want to focus on social media management, I only want to focus on funnel building, SEO, and what have you. There are a lot of digital marketing services that you can even break down into different niches or sub niches. And even that, you can even go a bit further downward to say, for instance, SEO. You just want to look at on-page SEO when you are writing your blog content. What do you need to optimize your blog write-up on? So you now want to maintain the SEO standard on page SEO or off page SEO. There are a lot of niches that you can really go in depth and be a professional, literally explaining whatsoever you have acquired in terms of knowledge on that field. So there are a lot of fields out there that you can really do good at by writing the little you know on those fields, and that improves your blogging skill set. So the first thing is to get a platform where you want to post your content. The second thing is to pick a niche where you now focus, okay, I'll be writing on this. The third is to do your research. There is no niche on earth, there is no niche that you have picked that people are not looking for information on it. But you still need to know how people are searching in terms of that niche. Okay, you need to do your research. Okay, probably you have taken digital marketing as a niche. You need to know how people put in their queries, their search structure, their keywords or key phrase onto the search engine. Okay, how do they throw their questions? And this, you can get this information by using a simple tool, Google Keyword Planner, that will give you an insight to what people are searching and how people are constructing their search queries. And that will help you understand, based on your niche, what people are looking for, and you will be able to make use of that information, that guide, in order to say, okay, I want to write on these topics because I know 10,000 people are searching for this key phrase monthly, and this is a good niche for me because that is exactly what you can do. And you just need to write a good write-up, sharing your experience, probably linking to other sources, and you do a good result by providing value, helping somebody know something better. And that is the summary of what the blogging industry is. So the question now is, how do you make money from blogging? Okay, the first way, which is not the easiest, but is a way, is Google Adsense. Okay, you just need to apply, for Google to check your website and approve if it meets their requirements that they can display their advertisement on your site. and that is the first thing you need to look at. There are other alternative to Google AdSense. You just need to Google it. Alternative to Google AdSense. You are going to see PPC, pay-per-click, monetizations and what have you. Some have requirements. Your website should have a minimum monthly traffic or what have you. Some will just probably they look at your content, your website ranking and what have you before they approve. But yes, there are alternative to Google AdSense out there that you want to look at. So that is PPC, pay-per-click. The second one is you can set up an affiliate. Okay, and you use platforms like third-party platforms like CJ, JVZoo, Amazon. There are lots of affiliate programs out there that you can sign up for. And if you sign up and you get the affiliate link, you then use your content based on your niche. So you are going to get the affiliate links, and you put in your recommendation on your blog that people can also get these products or these services in order to improve whatsoever the goal of the researcher is looking for. So you can do that. It goes a long way to promote your website, and it's a very good source of income. Okay, the next one is that you can monetize your placement. Okay, you can monetize your placement in the sense that now you are not selling, you are not asking Google to come and display their placement, their adverts on your website. You are not putting an affiliate link on your website, but you have a huge traffic, and now you can monetize it by allowing people to pay you while you display their adverts on your website. So you are not going through any routes, but rather they are contacting you, and you are giving the billing. You have your traffic, your data to show that indeed you have enough traffic coming to your website. And if anybody should advertise on your platform, they are going to see huge traffic, seeing their content, and you can really do a lot improving their business. So you can monetize your own sites by yourself. Then the next one is that you can start selling your personal products or services, because you have the traffic and you know what the traffic are coming to your website for, the pages they are going visiting. So you can actually monetize your services if you are into any service based skill set. Otherwise, you can also put in the products whereby you can start selling because you are having enough traffic coming to your website. There are other ways to make money from your blog. This is just a summary of what I'm willing to share with you. I wish you all the best. If you have found some valuable lessons from this discussion, kindly click the subscribe button, turn on the notification icon, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. I say thank you and God bless.